Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to all of my subscribers and my viewers. If you're new, please click that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, like, share, and comment. Remember to tell a friend to come over and show me some support, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Today I'll be tightening the roots of her locks. I will be using my Mango Lime locking wax, as well as I'll be using my needle to tighten the roots. So let's get into the video. Guys, remember to tell a friend to come over and subscribe. Guys, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Road to 1K, okay? Alright, so I'll be taking some of my Mango Lime wax and I'll be applying it to her roots. I'll use my little comb, to basically groom the hair together so that way it is neat, and I'll catch all the little flyaways in one place. So now I'll be taking the lock and I'll be wrapping the loose hair around the root in one direction. After I make a little wrap, I'll hold firmly on the hair while I push through my hair needle. So the needle, it has a hook that you basically use to secure the hair before you pull it through. When pulling the hair through, you go from different directions. In that way, you won't have any space in between your locks. So I'll continue to do that process until the root of the hair is tight enough. So I will be continuing by doing several repetitions of what I showed you earlier, but don't worry if you missed it the first time or if you didn't catch it that well. I will be showing you guys another close-up of how it is done. So just continue to watch the video as I proceed. So you push through with the needle, you make a hook with the hair, you close the needle, and then you pull through. I'm going to go again. You take the end of the locks, push through your needle, secure the hook, and you pull through from different directions. So as I continue to lock the hair to the corner of the screen, that's my page on IG, guys. Go over and follow my page. Also, if you want to book an appointment with me, that is where you will reach me. Send me a DM and I will respond as soon as physically possible. cannot cease to continue to express how appreciative I am of you guys. I just want to thank you for the support so far, and I know that I couldn't have done this without you guys, so thank you very much. Remember to leave a comment and rate how you like this retightening of her locks. Comment if you want me to do other videos, the type of videos that you want me to do. Not to worry, I'll hook you up right away. Alright, so I'm through locking the hair, guys. What I will do is just a simple little style. Nothing fussy, nothing crazy, just a simple little ponytail to the back. So as you can see, I'm getting all the hair in one little spot. I'm not going to catch it too tight because you know the hair is freshly groomed, so you don't want to catch it too tight. I'll be using a black string to secure all the hair together in a ponytail, because this is a lot of locks. But however, you can use whatever you choose. You can use a rubber band or even a shoelace, whatever works for you guys. Alright, so I have secured the ponytail. What I will be doing now is that I will be taking a few strands of her locks to basically wrap around the black elastic that I used to make the ponytail. So once I'm through using the hair to conceal the black elastic, I will be using a few bobby pins to secure the hair, ensure that everything is kept in one place. Okay, so I'm through securing the ponytail. What I will do now is I'll just use a little bit of shine jam to knead and brush in all her edges. Okay? Alright, so yeah, she kind of tender-headed, but not to worry about that part because it's all good. So brush in the edges and see we get that little smile there. Alright, good. So in closing, again guys, we just want them to subscribe, we just want them to share my video demo. Is what I say? Get me to 1K guys, get me to 1K, trust me, I'm not regret it. remember to like the video. So guys, I just want to say thank you for sticking with me through another video. Thanks for watching, thanks for the support. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, like and comment. Until then, see you soon.